everyone. Today, Aaron will try the go-karting. Let's see if he knows how to drive. Along with his kapitbahay. This is his first time trying this kind of ride. Aaron, say hi. Enjoy them. Oy!
Slow, hi, no, slow. Come on, you do it.
Daddy. Let's see how he will start.
He will be good. He will be good. Remember last time?
Make some noise.
See the Aaron taking turns so quietly and smoothly without hitting here and there. My God, he can drive on his own. He is a big boy now. My God, he become a professional now.
Go them!
Come on, Aaron! There you are!
Oh.
Not bad, not bad for the first timer.
Go there! His bayang, Avi. See the way he's driving? Little Trump is coming again.
See the little driver after his drive getting off from the car.
Little driver and it's raining, huh? Say thank you.
It was a wet, rainy day drive by a little driver. I hope he enjoyed the ride.
Jump down,
Let's see.
jump.
Let's check with the driver. How's he feeling after the drive? Let's see. On his way back to the stand. Mr. Jain, wait. How was your drive, sir?
Happy? See your wet. Come. Say thank you.
How was your drive? Anji, how was your drive?
Fine.
You enjoyed it? Fantastic.